What is up, ladies and gentle peeps? We are out here trying to save you guys some fees. So if you are using Coinbase right now, obviously there are multiple platforms that have lower fees, but if you're using Coinbase and you don't want to sign up for anything else and you want to sell your crypto for the lowest fees, you need to go on over to Coinbase Pro. You can just Google search it, Coinbase Pro. We'll look up the actual address here in a second, but let me show you an example of selling something on Coinbase and then selling something on Coinbase Pro and how much you can actually save. Bah. All right. So starting off right here, we have 0.0024 BTC. It's the same amount of Bitcoin on one side versus the other. It's $92 worth, and it's a $2.99 fee on Coinbase. This is regular Coinbase. That is atrocious. For the date, also it's May 27th, 2021, and yeah, Bitcoin's worth 37,370. So total payout from selling that, I would get $89.36. That's a $3 fee. That's worse than most ATMs. Now, if you go on over to Coinbase Pro, which I'll show you how to do it in a second, but if you go on over to Coinbase Pro and you were to sell at market, this was just a few minutes afterwards, the price is a little higher. It's 37,568. But the more important thing here is look at the fee right here. Let's actually zoom in on the fee. So to sell 0.0024 BTC, just like on regular Coinbase side, the fee is only 0.46, so it's 46 cents. So you end up with $92.36. Yeah, so that's $2.50 cheaper than selling it on regular Coinbase. And if you're selling weekly, daily, even monthly, it's still saving you dollars. So that's good. Now, if you want me to show you the easiest way to get to Coinbase Pro, let's do it. So you can just go on over to I had it up right here. So it's pro.coinbase.com, and then you just use your regular Coinbase login to actually get into Coinbase. That's all you have to do. Then when you're over here, your Coinbase money, think of Coinbase Pro and Coinbase as two different things. So your Coinbase money or crypto is over here, and then Coinbase Pro is over here. So to get crypto into Coinbase Pro, you just click on deposit, then you click on Bitcoin, then you click on Coinbase.com because you want to deposit it from Coinbase.com, and then you would just click max. So I don't have any Bitcoin on Coinbase, so it's just zero other than the little bit that's in Coinbase Pro. Then you just hit deposit, and it literally, boom, it goes in there instantly. It doesn't travel on the blockchain, it travels on their API. So you don't have to wait for like transactions, and there's no fee to transfer it from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. Zero fees. So then you would sell it, and to sell it instantly, you can set a limit or a stop, but you just click on market. If you want it to sell right now with what you got, you click on market, then you click max, and then it'll tell you what the fee is, and then the total that you'll receive in US dollars. And we are on the Bitcoin to USD pairing. You can click on these to get the different pairings for different coins. And it's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. So you are welcome. If you don't have a Coinbase account, that's kind of necessary for this whole equation. Some people do ask me, do you sell everything? Do you hold everything? Do you send everything? What do you do? I have been sending some stuff over to Binance. Binance is actually even less fees than Coinbase. So I can do a video on that if you guys are interested. I use Binance US, not regular Binance, because you can't use that inside the US. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Bow, bow, bow. Man, that's only 4 minutes and 30 seconds. That's got to be a record, you know? Just fast. Fast. All right. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Save that money. Make that crypto. Do the thing that you do. You know what I'm talking about. All right. Jellyfish out. By the way, you know what? That ain't for this video. We're going to get into that in another video. Peace. All right. So now that all the jellyfishes are here, uh, is that a heart? Yeah. All right. Love you guys. For real. Take it easy. Peace. I don't know. Yeah. Boom.